Antarctica, the frozen continent. Antarctica in Latin means the opposite to Arctic Ocean. Hence it is known as Antarctica. The reason is Arctic region is situated near the North Pole, whereas the Antarctica is around the South Pole. Antarctica is also known as a white continent, thickly covered with ice. It has got a hostile environment, hence no permanent inhabitation. Here hostile environment means the climate, the temperature is below 0 degree and it is not possible for human habitat to stay over there. The only continent without any permanent settlement. Discoveries, it is a very latest one explored continent. In the year 1820, only it was limited to coastal area. December 1911, it was Ronald who planted a Norwegian flag. He was an explorer. In January 1912, Captain Robert Scott reached the South Pole. When he found the Norwegian flag, he was very sad. But when his team and he were on his way to return, they were perished in the avalanche. Admiral Bride of US Navy was the first who flew over the southern pole in 1928-29. Location, fifth largest continent in the world. It is based entirely in the southern hemisphere with South Pole, circular in shape. Boundary, surrounded by oceans on all sides. Water body around the shore is called Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. The Antarctic Peninsula almost reaches the Cape Horn, which is the southernmost tip of South America. Physical features. 95% of the land surface is covered with thick ice sheet. The ice sheet spread out over the sea as floating ice shelf. The Ross Ice Shelf on Pacific coast is the largest. As you can see the picture given, it is of Ross Ice Shelf. Shores are steep. There are no coastal plain. Icebergs float around. Landform comprises of mountain, rugged plateau, barren valley. The Trans-Antarctic Mountain divide the continent into the east and the west. One thing should be noted, the western part is comparatively smaller and narrower and hence is known as Lesser Antarctica. The larger part in the east is known as the Greater Antarctica. As you can see here in the map of the Antarctica, it is based in the south, circular in shape. It is covered by oceans on all the sides. As you can see, the East Antarctica is comparatively much bigger and greater, hence known as Greater Antarctica, whereas the West, which is on the left hand side of Trans-Antarctic, is comparatively smaller and narrower. Physical features, the Queen's Maud Land, a plateau, is located on the coastal areas on the eastern side. Mount Vinson is the highest peak. Mount Erebus is an active volcano. The Breadmore Glacier, as you can see in the picture, is an important physical feature. As you can make out, it is one of the largest glaciers in the world. Thank you. तूने ऐसे क्यों किया? क्या हो गया? चिल्ला रही थी.